National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Limestone County in north central Alabama, northwestern Morgan County in north central Alabama, southeastern Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. as hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Priceville, Hartselle, Speake, Neal, Basham, Somerville, Trinity, and Bankhead National Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central, northeastern, and northwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Morgan, Alabama,